weather statement. For the following counties: Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Hardin, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, Pike, Lawson Union. Some light freezing rain possible this morning. An area of light rain showers will continue to overspread central and south-central Ohio this morning. Temperatures are quickly warming to above freezing as the rain begins. Some road surfaces may lag in their temperature recovery, and this rain could freeze for a period of time through daybreak. The freezing rain threat will decrease through mid-morning as temperatures continue to rise and the rain tapers off. If you are traveling this morning, be prepared for the possibility of slick roadways. Here is a special weather statement. For the following counties in Ohio: Adams, Auglaize, Brown, Butler, Champaign, Clark, Claremont, Clinton, Dark, Greene, Hamilton, Highland, Logan, Mercer, Miami, Montgomery, Preble, Shelby, and Warren, and the following counties in Kentucky: Bracken, Mason, and Robertson. Some light freezing rain possible this morning. Scattered light rain showers will continue over much of the region this morning. In most locations, temperatures have warmed to above freezing. However, road surfaces may lag in their temperature recovery, and this rain could freeze for a period of time before daybreak. The freezing rain threat will significantly diminish by daybreak. If you are traveling this morning, be prepared for the possibility of slick roadways.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a freeze and rain advisory for Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union counties, effective until 9 a.m. this morning. Hazard types: light ice accumulation. Accumulations, a trace of ice. Timing: temperatures will continue to rise early this morning, going above freezing by 9 a.m. Impacts: light amounts of icing will cause some roads and sidewalks to become slippery. Use caution when outdoors as areas that look wet may be icy. If you must drive, be cautious as you may encounter ice on roads. A freezing rain advisory means that periods of freezing rain or freezing drizzle will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads. Slow down and use caution while driving. A freezing rain advisory in effect for Marion and Morrow counties until 10 a.m. this morning now includes Knox County. Ice due to freezing rain is expected early this morning and ending mid-morning. Ice accumulations up to 1/10 of an inch is possible. Icing will cause untreated roads and sidewalks to become ice-covered and slick. Use extreme caution when outdoors as areas that look wet may be iced over. If you must drive, be extremely cautious as you will encounter ice on the roads at times. A freezing rain advisory is issued when icing is expected in the affected areas, but not enough to disrupt travel or damage trees and power lines. Instead, patches of ice will cause slick spots on roadways and sidewalks. Walking and driving could therefore be difficult, but not impossible. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a freeze and rain advisory for Perry County, effective until 9 a.m. this morning. Hazard types: freezing rain. Ice accumulations, little to none. Trace or less until 9 a.m. Roads and sidewalks may become slippery. Temperatures in the mid-20s. A freeze and rain advisory means that periods of freezing rain or freezing drizzle will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads. Slow down and use caution while driving. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a freeze and rain advisory, which is in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. From Muskingum County, ice accumulations, a trace to 0.03 of an inch. Dangerous travel conditions are expected due to icy roads. Now